Welcome, my love. You've arrived at your island, a place where you are safe, a place where nothing is expected of you, and everything you are is already enough. You can hear the waterfall in the distance, a soft, steady rhythm like the heartbeat of the earth herself. You walk towards it, barefoot, feeling warm sand beneath your feet, each step grounding you deeper into peace. As you reach the waterfall, you see sunlight shimmering through the mist, tiny sparkles dancing in the air. This is your sanctuary. This is where you begin to remember what it means to receive. You sit beside the pool beneath the falls and take a slow breath in and out. And as you breathe, you feel your body whisper back to you, I am safe to be nourished. You touch the cool water with your fingertips. It's soft, gentle, forgiving. Every drop reminds you your body deserves kindness. Your hunger is not the enemy. It's a message of life, a call to care for yourself. Each time the waterfall flows, it washes away guilt, shame, and fear, leaving behind peace and trust. You don't have to earn your meals. You don't have to deserve rest. You were born deserving. Let the waterfall say it for you. I am safe. I am nourished. I am enough. Feel those words sink into your heart. You are learning to listen again to your body's wisdom, to your intuition, to your softness. Every bite you take, every moment you allow yourself to rest is a prayer to your healing. You look up at the sky, golden, open, endless, and realize your healing is already happening. You are not broken. You are returning. You are home.